Day 4, eh?
Yes, it is. Good morning, darling. How are you?
Yeah, awesome. So day 3 was very eventful. Massive rainstorms just afternoon. Joe missed it.
No, it wasn't eventful for some. It was quite a nice day. Good tracks. Got home, swam in the pool, watched the rainstorm come in. It was beautiful.
And anyway, we got soaked. Hail, the whole kit. You saw that. Day 4. What are we looking like outside here? Oh, it could be a good day. Could be the odd scattered shower. Short day today. 182k with the beach run. So all the bikes held up well. So I've got another tyre to change this morning on the DesertX. Other than that, we're off for brekkie and we're going to get an early start today. We'll try and get back to port, and so everyone get a chance to get home if they live in Sydney or wherever they've got to travel to. So I'll be sweeping again, as I have been for the last 3 days with the medic, and it's been bloody good fun actually. I've enjoyed it. I've been lead riding for about the last 8 years, but I've never gone the back. But it's a long day, but it's a fun day.
Hey, thank you for all your help along the tracks. Enjoy the ride home. What's going on, babe?
I'm having a go at this one.
You having a go?
Nick's
It's about time he had a go, right, Nick?
That's right.
Yeah. Well, you have a great day, babe. I'm going to go hit the track. See you later.
Have fun.
Always.
Absolutely perfect conditions for day 4, isn't it? Bloody hell, lovely. Bit of moisture last night, just the arvo, no dust today. Alright, 12 k's in and into the gravel.
Gotcha. Yeah? Oh, okay, no worries. Greenie said the beach down Hat is lovely. We are in Mara's Creek Road right now, going on the Range Road. She's a little wet and we're just concentrating, okay? Oh yeah, you're not far behind us. Bye. Alright, buddy. Ready? He's lost his sunnies, Julie.
Everybody's pulled up there.
Oh.
One of the bikes has stopped.
And they're prescription, aren't they? They're prescription, aren't they? Prescription sunnies?
Yeah, they're
Yep.
not cheap.
Okay.
Shit, no, I haven't seen any.
Haven't seen any,
I'm
Darren.
just going to go back to where those couple were sitting and
Okay.
see what comes of it.
Alrighty then.
Thanks, girls.
Easy. Pull up here so you can get past. No problem. Will do, you guys too. One more. Whoop. What's this? Sorry, I don't know, I thought 3.
Hey? Yeah, I think that's what the girls were. They're in here somewhere. I just dropped into that one. But look at the conditions, but they're just so loamy. Perfect. Did you see the girls go past?
Yeah. They were just behind us.
Yep.
And we were in front of all those other guys.
Yep. Okay, that's good. So they're all up there. Good conditions today, isn't it? Beautiful. Just loamy.
I hear the west winds calling out my name. They're telling me to head your way, down your road and past you.
Like a good rut. Not bad.
Enduro sections. We're doing a beach run down between Hadhead and Crescent Head, so hopefully the tide will be, yeah, it should be about half tide, so it should be okay. Scotty's going to lead the way. He's going to show me how to do it. He's a sand master. Traction control is turned off, ready for the sand. Oh, look at that. Glassy conditions here. Could be waves. Ah, here we got John. Having a smoke. Hello, mate. What? You're the last one. My girls go through? Just then, did they?
Yeah, it was, you go first, and then I'll come to the I need to pick you up. I heard them race off.
Yeah, that's good. All right, nice. Well, we're going to go to the bakery.
I thought I'd do this one, and I might do the one.
Well, the boys did the other one. I haven't heard from it. That one can be treacherous. But at least if you go down, you got Plummer Track. You can do Maria River, whatever, you know.
Yeah, I thought I'd just go behind the beach.
Yeah, that's a good track too. Tide's coming up. We haven't got far to go. I can see the girls way down there.
Sorry, Julie, you keep going. Fuji's here, Julie. Fuji's here, you keep going. Yep. I already rode in the fucking waves. That's it, Julie, getting the momentum. Stay up there, I think, is better, because I was down here in the humps and the bumps.
Oh, I'll hold your bike, Scotty. Right up. How you going, darling? Yeah. Get. Righto. So get up over on that side over there a bit. No, just up there where you make your own tracks. Yeah, just got to get going a bit, like probably third gear, and jump on, babe. Yep. Just steer it straight up over there and just don't back off. That's it. Keep those revs down. Don't back off. That's it. Get your feet on the pegs. Sit back a little bit. That's it. That's the way. Upper.
I'm a name. They're telling me to head your way. Down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun. For you to fall into my arms, the place I call my home. I was looking to belong when I already found my home.
Back there. That's it, well done.
I'm off. I'll go up here and wait for Julie. I can keep that throttle on and aim up. Just let it does what it does. It's okay, buddy. It's oh, you learnt my language, Julianne. Keep it going, John. Keep it going. John's right behind you. He's giving you a push. Yeah, John's been pulling. Woo-hoo! Here comes Scotty. Sweet. I don't know about that. I was swimming everywhere. So this is what an XT looks like after it catches a wave.
But you went under the water. Oh no, you went through the surf.
No, darling. I probably went under the water.
Well
You'll
done.
find out later.
Well done.
Poor sandy little XT.
Campground's full. Now it is. Hello, Mr. Goanna. Righto, Scotty. Safe trip down the beach, mate. Righto, and if you don't find me, I've run out on the way down. Righto, mate. See ya. Righto.
Fall into my arms, the place I call my home. I was looking to belong when I already found my home.
Just to backtrack up the Plumber, this is our last enduro loop. We're heading down to Port Point Ferry. It's been an awesome 4 days, and we had a fair bit of rain last night, so mud puddles are pretty full. Very sand based, but super fun.
You will always be my home.
Homeward bound, we're on the right of the road. Had an absolutely great day.
Jeez, it's wet down here, boys. Yoo-hoo! Wet as. It's a bit wet, isn't it? Alright. Well, that's the end of the track. That was super fun. Righto, well that's pretty much it, day 4. It's all over. We're just getting back to the ferry now. I'll get back to the motel, pick up bags and see what's happening back there before we head off. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the last 4 days. The Trans Terra. Me and Joe, me sweep riding and Joe and the amongst the pack. Alright guys, like and subscribe if you enjoy what you're seeing guys, and appreciate all your support. Thank you. Bye. Right, we're paid for, Scotty. I've got you.
The boys went down the beach, we came along the road, and here we are at the ferry together. No, we didn't stop for gin actually.
And they've done enough for us today.
Yeah.